Overwhelmed with meetings and need some focused time? Let's block out your calendar in Microsoft Teams in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you're in Microsoft Teams. Click on the calendar icon in the left-hand navigation bar. This will take you to your weekly or monthly schedule. Now, click and drag your mouse across the time slot you want to block out. This will open a new meeting or appointment window. In the title field, type a descriptive name for your block time, such as focus time, project work, or lunch break. Next, click on the Busy drop-down menu. From the options, select Out of Office. This is important because it tells others that you're unavailable during this time. If you need to block out the entire day, toggle the all-day switch on. If not, set the start and end times as needed. If you need to block out this time regularly, use the Does Not Repeat drop-down to set a recurring schedule, like daily or weekly. Finally, click the Save button in the top right corner of the window. And that's it. Your calendar now shows the blocked out time as out of office, preventing others from scheduling meetings during those hours. Enjoy your focus time.